Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, Sai.
Good evening.
Good evening everyone. Shall we start our class?
Yes.
Yes, Sai. You can.
Okay, yeah, sure. Check. Okay. So this is white one is server. This green one is node 1. Yellow is node 2. Okay. Yesterday we were trying to understand ad hoc commands. Right? These are simple one-liner commands that we use to perform any one task. Correct? You remember, right? I have given the DMart example. If you have less than 5 products, you go to that fast track line. If you have more than 5 products, you have to stand in a general line. So here also, if you want to do any one task, that time instead of writing big lengthy playbook, you can use these ad hoc commands. Okay. Yesterday we have used command module to run Linux commands. Okay. Command module. Like that, you can use many modules. That means, see, mainly the thing is that by using ad hoc commands, you can use one module at a time. But by writing playbook, in that playbook, you can use more than or one module. You can use one module also. At the same time, you can use any number of modules. But to use one module, instead of going with big playbook, you can simply use ad hoc commands. Correct? Okay. So yesterday in that, which module we have seen? Command module we have seen. That's a default module. Command module we use to run Linux commands. Now today we are going to see 2 to 3 modules. Anyways, all these modules again we are going to use in this main playbook. Okay. So let's see a few other modules. Suppose if you want to copy a file from server to node, if you want to copy a file from server to node, what you can do, you can use copy. See, you can do like this. For example, you can see here you can run any command like sudo cp source. These are source. Okay, some Linux commands that you can use, but using Linux command is not recommended. That's why yesterday it was showing a warning that is I don't use Linux commands. That is not recommended. Better use related modules. Okay, so if you want to copy something, for that we use a module called here copy module. If you want to copy something from your server to nodes, that time we use copy module. Okay, copy. First, let me write this command, then I will explain the meaning of each one. src equal to, first let me keep any file here. File 1 is right. Let me create a file. Touch new file. There is a file called new file. Do ls. Just now I have created one file called new file. If you do ls here, do you have any new file? No new file. Here also, no new file. So this file I would like to copy to my server. Sorry, my 2 nodes. So what is the command? Ansible web servers. Okay, web servers. So we have to use module like -m. This is a module, copy module we use. Copy module. Then -e arbitrary. Here in double quotes, src source equal to, what is the file? New file. Space dest. Okay, destination. dest equal to, where do you want to copy? Any location, like /home or /temp, wherever you want. /temp. So that under temp directory that will be copied, and with the sudo privileges -b. This is how we have to see. Ansible web server means all nodes. Module name, which module I'm using? Copy module. -e arbitrary. So source src means, you might be thinking, Sai, from where we got these words? src, dst. These are predefined things. I'm going to show you these things from official Ansible website. Okay, src equal to, these are source. What is the file? New file. Destination means in nodes, all web servers. Where do you want to copy? Under temp directory, I want to copy this file. Okay, this is, we use copy module to copy anything. See, we are using only one module at it, right? Now press enter. If you press enter, this will be copied to both nodes. Okay, yeah, see here destination. It copied to here under temp. Yeah, inside that file got copied. You can see. Inside this file got copied. That is how it works. Okay. So if you want to verify, for that we can use this arbitrary commands. Linux, this one, for example, here, what you can do here, ls/temp. That's why I'm copying file to nodes, And also I'm verifying being present in server. I'm not even touching my nodes. You can see, I'd like to run ls command on temp direct. Now verify. You can see new file. You can see in node 1, new file in node. That is how it works. To copy something, we use copy module. Okay. Suppose to install a package. If you want to install a package, for that, which module we use? I mean, to deal with packages, we use yum module. We use yum module. So hyphen a here, package, right? Here pkg. These are predefined things. I'll show you from website, official website. Okay, pkg. What's the package name? You give that package whatever you want to install. For example, httpd. I'd like to install httpd. Okay. Then here you have to mention state. State. Okay. State means package what? Package we should be installed, uninstalled what? Upgraded, downgraded, something we have to mention, right? That is what we call state. So here present. Okay. Present means yes, package should be present. That means it will be installed. So here you mention package name, but what is the state? Should be installed, uninstalled what? Present means installed. That's it. Okay, before that, let me verify package is there. Which httpd? Achha, no package. Here also. Which httpd? Okay, no package. Fine. Now let's try to install the package. Now enter. Okay, don't worry, just reduce the font so that this output will be fit to your screen. Here we need not worry about all these things. Only we need to worry about, you can see, install httpd node 1 and install httpd node. Whether we install properly or not, that also we can verify being present in server itself. What is this here? Which httpd verify. Yes, that is a correct. That is how we install. Suppose I would like to install Git. So here just change the name. In place of httpd, you mention Git. Okay, Git. Right? State present. Now enter. Again, you'll get the same kind of output. You can see. Yeah, so successfully installed Git. And how to verify? Simple. Which Git? Which Git? Yes, Git is there. Got it? That is how we can do it. Suppose you want to upgrade your package. Okay, upgrade your package. So for that, suppose here this is a package which I want to upgrade. So update to latest version. So here in place of present, latest. Okay, if at all any older version is there, that will be upgraded to latest version. State equal to latest. Now enter. If already updated version is there, then it won't take any action. Okay, it is saying that hey, Sai, all packages are already up to date. Okay, it's already up to date, so no need to update again. That is the meaning. You can see it is already up to date. Suppose you want to uninstall. See, if you observe carefully, I am using only one module. Only one module at a time. Okay, you can't use more than one modules. If you have more than one modules, you have to write playbook. Okay. Here, I would like to uninstall. If you want to uninstall, here state must be absent. Absent. Okay, state must be absent. Now enter. Now package will be uninstalled. Yeah, see here you can see removed httpd. Okay, that is so. How to verify whether httpd is there or not? See which httpd. See, I'm not even touching my nodes. Everything I'm doing being inside, being present itself. See, this is not an error, guys. It is saying that hey, Sai, there is no package httpd. Understood? So, okay, let me install the package again. Yeah. Let me install httpd present. I'm installing. Okay, I have installed package is there. Now I would like to start service. Okay, after installing package only, you can start service. Now verify package is there or not. Yeah, package is there. Now I would like to start HTTP service. To start HTTP service, use which module? Service module. I'll show you all these modules and all from website. When I write playbook, that time I'm going to show you everything from website. Use service module to deal with services. Okay, here name. Okay, name equal to HTTP. Okay, state equal to service should be started. START, started. So service will be started. Enter. So here again, you need not worry about this entire output. Here you need to worry about only, see, HTTP state equal to started. Verify whether service is what. Yeah, service is running or not. Same here. Here you can, that's what these Linux commands you can use to verify. Service HTTPD status. Correct? Service HTTPD status just to verify whether service is running or not. You can see in node 1 it is active and running. In node 2 also it is active and running. That is all. Okay. Now let me stop the service. Okay, let me restart. Restart or reload. Then we give just restart it. So that service will be restarted. Simple, easy. Done. It will be restarted. Suppose if you want to stop. So here in place of restarted, here what do? You mention stop. State equal to press enter. Yeah, service got stopped. How to verify? Here you can see service got stopped. Or you can verify like this by running this service HTTP status. You can see inactive and dead. Here also inactive and dead. That is how we can do it. Suppose to create a user. To create a user, we use which module? To create a user, we use user module. We use a user module to create a user. Okay, so here name. What is the user name? Raj. I would like to create a user called Raj. State must be present. State must be present. But again here, there are some default things. For example, the default action for user is to create. That's what. It creates user. So if you don't mention this state, user will be created. But if you want to remove, if you want to do any other changes, you have to mention this state. Default action for package. Install. Default action for service. Start. Default action for file. Create. So if you want to stop or reload, then you have to mention that state explicitly. Package, if you want to uninstall or update, you have to mention explicitly the state and all. If you don't mention anything, then these things will be taken as a default. Suppose if you are not getting any message, means class is there. If class is not there, then you get a message that hey, so and so class is not there. Correct? So if class is there, every day we don't send message, right? Tomorrow class is there, tomorrow class is there. The default behavior itself is class is there. Okay, here also same thing. If you don't mention any state, these things will be taken care. That's why, see, I want to create a user. You don't need to mention all these things. State is not required. Just name equal to Raj. That means user will be created. Okay, verify. Yeah, you can see user got created here. See, user name. How to verify user got created or not? That, for that we use this command, ad hoc commands. Here, tail, and let's see last two lines, tail -2 etc password. etc password. So etc password. Now enter. You can say Raj user in both machine. I would like to see last two lines, guys, from this file. Okay, here also you can see that is all. But if you want to remove this user, you have to mention explicitly. Here you can see if you want to remove, then you have to mention the state explicitly. State equal to absent. State equal to absent. Then user will be removed. That is all. User got removed. How to verify? Again, you can now run this command. Here it won't show anything. See, it is showing some default other users. You don't find any Raj user. That is how actually it works. Understanding, right? Now, I told you, right? Whenever you try to push some code from server to nodes, first setup module will go there. Setup module will go there. We'll collect that information. We'll bring that information back to server. So, okay. Then server will analyze whether the task should be executed or not. Okay, that is what actually happens. That setup module will go and collect the data. If you want to see that collected data by setup module, then we use this one module called here. Directly we use this module name we mentioned. What is a module? Setup. Like this. Okay. So if you mention like this, the setup module anyways will go and collect the data when you run any command, but explicitly you want to see the data, whatever it collects. Then we use like this. Okay, -m setup. Enter. Then you can see a lot of information which is collected from servers. You can see in this JSON format, it collects the data from both nodes. This is not user friendly. I mean, this is system. Your server will recognize. Your server will understand complete information about these nodes. Okay, that is all. Okay, these are information which server collects from both nodes. Okay. Yeah, that is how the setup module works. Now, so this is what ad hoc commands, simple, small one-liner commands. Now what we do, now onwards we are going to learn playbooks, how to write playbook. Okay. What we'll do, today we won't start that playbook, even the half an hour is there because I want to start freshly. I don't want to do this. I don't want this to be mixed with these commands, ad hoc commands. Because Ansible is all about playbooks. Ansible is all about playbooks. Okay, mainly we use because we can use more than one module at a time. More than one module. So what actually we do? This is server. These are my nodes. Here we write playbook. In that we kept some code. Okay, that's what. So whatever we mentioned in one line, right? Those we are going to keep multiple things. Then we run the playbook. Okay, in nodes, so that this entire code will be converted into infrastructure. Okay, that code also I will explain tomorrow. It's very easy. That code we write in AML script by AML. That is very, very easy, dead easy. Okay. So this part we are going to see freshly from tomorrow onwards.